Hello everybody. I'm going to take you through quickly how to create a course collection in your resources, and I'm going to teach you how to take your courses and then save them into that collection section. And then the last part, you're going to go and review what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of, and that'll be the spring cleaning part of the Schoology courses. We're using resources, or I'm showing you how to use resources because they never go away. You'd be able to access them during the summer. You'd be able to access them at any time. They don't get archived, unlike your courses that do get archived. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to start by going into our resources. And when we're in our resources, we want to go to this little box that's right up here. It says Add Collections. There we are. School year 2021. Fifth time I have done this. Create. Now, it's going to take you right back to the home page, but if you look down here, you can see that there's school year 2021, fifth time I've done this. That's our collection. It's just a big folder, really, a big box that you're able to put a bunch of materials in there. If we click in there, we'll see that there's nothing there. So from this point, we need to go back to the courses and go into a course that you're currently teaching. And then we're going to save the course to that collection. So we go here into the options section. It says Save Courses. Click on Save Courses. And then it automatically defaults to Home. But you click on this little chevron and you can look down here and you find the school year 2021, fifth time I've done this. You can click on that, and it automatically defaults to make a folder with inside that collection, which is where you want to do it. And you hit Submit, and when you hit Submit, you're going to get loading, and really what it's doing right now is it's taking a bunch of information and it's transferring it over to that folder into your resources. Some of you will probably get, or most of you will probably get, this large green banner up here that basically says that it's doing a transfer, and since it's a lot of material, it's going to take a while to do. So if you would go and get yourself a cup of coffee or read emails or get a snack or maybe sign up for your health benefit things, it should be done by the time you finished all that. And when you go back, so when you do return, you're going to go back into your resources. And I'll show you first what it looks like. So looks like when it's not completed. There's no gear icon and the title's there, but there's no underline there to be able to let you access it. What it eventually will look like is this, to where you have the gear icon and then the title highlights that you're able to click and look inside, and all the materials are there. At this point, once you do have it all inside there, editing is relatively easy and it's up to you. I know there's going to be a big push for high quality, on grade level, standard align type material. So if you want to kind of keep that in mind and go through the content that you have and decide what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of, that's up to you. But again, you're in resources, and it makes it a little bit easier. If you start to click on these boxes, you'll see that box appeared up at the top. You can add them, copy them, move them, or delete them if you want to get rid of them. But this is a nice way to be able to start cleaning things up in your courses for next year. Okay, thanks for listening.